Welcome back to the channel, guys, and this video will be a short one, but I still have a few mods that I want to do to this E90, and this is one of them. This is basically an M3 mirror cap, and I will just install this on my E90 and then I will show you the comparison, how it looks before and after. So let's get into it. So basically, to remove the mirror cap, it has these four fixing points, so you just need to use a primer tool like this, hook it on the edge, and then it should just pop out. So it is actually not that hard to install this mirror cap, although I broke one of the fixing points on my previous cap, but that's no big deal. It still has 3 of them left, and this is how it looks applied, fitting very nicely with those splitters and those black rails, and on the other side the OEM one. Okay. Let me install the other side, and that will be it. Okay, so it's a complete product now. Quick tip before you try to install these aftermarket ones: make sure to remove any cracks, if any, from the previous cap when you try to remove it, because I've been trying to put this one in for so long and I couldn't understand why it's not fitting in, and there was just one tiny piece of plastic inside of the place where this one has to go in. So I removed that one and it's in now. I think they sit perfectly. Well, let me know what you think, and yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure to hit that like button and see you guys in the next one.